Soy Luke.
Y soy Saini, and today we're going to teach you how to count in Spanish from 1 to 100.
Los números del 1 al 100.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
If we reach numero 20, we are going to add numbers from 1 to 9 to the larger number. And this time, the spelling of the word 20 will change. Letter E at the end of the word 20 will change into I every time you add number from 1 to 9. For example, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30 will have the word E, which means end, and then the following number from 1 to 9, like 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now, when Spanish speakers say these numbers, it's going to sound like one single word, but the spelling is actually 3 words, like 31, but you will hear 31, 32, and so on. Just keep in mind that the spelling changes from 30 and up. Now, let's proceed to 50. Numbers after will also be spelled in 3 words. In these larger numbers, you will follow the same pattern as 30 and on. Repeat after me. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.